In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a BingX account. If you want to start using BingX, the first step is creating your account. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for BingX step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to the official BingX website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner, and click it. You'll now see the registration page. BingX lets you create an account using either your email address or your phone number. Choose the option you want to use. If you're signing up with email, enter your email address in the field provided. If you prefer phone registration, select your country code first, then type in your mobile number. Next, create your password. Type a strong password that you can remember but that isn't easy for others to guess. Make sure it follows any password rules shown on the screen. You may also see a field for a referral code. This is optional, so if you don't have one, you can leave it blank and continue. After that, check the box to agree to BingX's terms and privacy policy. Once everything is filled in, click Sign Up. BingX will then send a verification code to your email address or phone number. Depending on the method you used, open your email inbox or check your text messages, find the code, and enter it on the verification screen. Once the code is accepted, your BingX account will be created. After signing up, it's a good idea to finish a few account setup steps before you start trading. Go to your account settings and complete any identity verification if BingX asks for it. You should also enable extra security features like two-factor authentication so your account stays protected. And that's it. That's how to create a BingX account. Once your account is ready, you can log in, explore the platform, and move on to deposits, trading, and other BingX features.